So let's talk about precision and accuracy. I mean, they sound like the same thing, but in science they're not. Let's illustrate this with a story. There's a kingdom, and one year the king holds an archery tournament. The best archer gets a big bag of gold, that sort of thing. The first archer has a go, and their arrows look like this, all over the place. The arrows aren't even near each other, low precision, and they're nowhere near the bullseye, low accuracy. Now, in an experiment, if you repeated an investigation and your repeated results looked like this, that would be very bad. The centre of the bullseye is the true value, what the thing you're measuring really is, so the method of measurement here isn't coming close to the truth. The wide spread means that something in the method is changing accidentally each time. The variables aren't being controlled. This archer is a total amateur. Anyway, the second archer has a go and their arrows look like this. Better, but not great. Their arrows are close together, high precision, but they're still not near the bullseye, low accuracy. What would repeated results like this mean in an experiment? Well, the results are close in value, which means the variable is being controlled properly, but they're still not near the true value. They're all out by the same amount. It suggests an error in the method of measurement. Essentially, they're an outstanding archer who needs glasses. The third archer has a try. Their arrows look like this. Better again. The arrows aren't that close together, low precision, but they're clustered around the bullseye, high accuracy. In an experiment, results like this would indicate that the method of measurement is good, but that the variables in the experiment keep changing. This is an excellent archer who's wobbling slightly in the wind. The final archer has a try. Their arrows land like this. Wow! High precision and high accuracy. In an experiment, this would mean that the method of measurement was good and that the variables were being tightly controlled between repeats. This is the best archer in the kingdom. Unfortunately, it was all a trap by the king, as the fourth archer was a notorious poacher. You can't win them all.